everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on your Corsair Void series headphones. The headphones that I have right here are the Corsair Void Pro, but this method is going to work on a bunch of other models, and you're gonna see them scrolling on the right side of the screen right now. By the way, in this video, I am going to use the ear pads that we make at Wicked Cushions. If you want to try them out, I'm going to give you a coupon at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, or just skip to the end of the video right now. Let me move you to the tabletop and I'll show you exactly how to remove and install the new ear pads. Okay, so let's start. It's going to be very easy, and as you can see, I've already replaced one. This is the old one, and this is our upgraded ear pads. The thing that I didn't like about the Corsair Void Pro, which I have right here, is that material that the ear pad is made of. After you sweat in it or you play with it for several weeks, it starts to stink really bad, and also it's not as comfortable as PU leather. In our ear pads, we have an increased durability with stitched inside seam. It's made with PU leather and memory foam, which these are only made with a regular sponge. So let me just show you how to replace it. It's gonna be super easy. You're just gonna grab the ear pad from within like this, and you are going to pull it out of its socket. It's disgusting, let me get this away. So, grab the ear pad. The way that this is installed is you can see that there is a backside lip right here, this little thing. Inside here, I don't know if you can notice that, there is a small tiny gap that this lip needs to go into. Now, it's very easy to recognize which side is top and bottom because the shape is very distinct. There is no left and right for these ear pads, so it doesn't matter. You're gonna go and grab the ear pad like this, and you're gonna try and come from the side, from this one, and just slide it into the gap as I showed you right now. Now, this is the most important part. As soon as you slide it in, you wanna hold it with your other finger and keep it in place. Don't let it go. You're gonna take your other fingers and you're just gonna stretch the ear pad into the gap. And you're gonna keep on holding it with your other hand and just keep on stretching. Don't be afraid to stretch it because the ear pad is very flexible. Just gonna go around like this. And from within, with my index finger, I basically push the lip, as you can see, in order to stretch it out. And you're just gonna go around. And once you did almost like half of the ear pad, the rest follows in pretty easily. So the last step that I wanna do, I take a card. For me, it's a Dave & Buster's card. Once a gamer, always a gamer. And then I tuck it in. So you wanna come like this. Because it's not straight, you wanna come from an angle and tuck it in. And that is it. We've successfully replaced the ear pads. I did promise you a coupon, and now it's time for me to give it to you. So if you want to try our upgraded ear pads for the Corsair Void series headphones, which fit a bunch of other models, if you want to see the full list, it's in the description below. Simply click the link at the top right corner right now, or click the link in the description. That is it for today's video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me in the comment section below, or with our email that is in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next video. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.